You're listening to Systemic Error Podcast. The failure was designed.
Judge slaps down Trump's latest dodge in Jean Carroll case. Based on an article by Kathleen Culleton. Trump's delay machine meets a court that refused to blink. Delay is the strategy. A federal judge has ordered Donald Trump to pay the $5.8 million he owes Jean Carroll after another attempt to spell collapsed in court. The new filing claimed his recently hired lawyer needed more time. The court did not buy it, and neither should anyone else. This is not a scheduling issue. It is a familiar power move. Stretch up accountability, flood the process with delay, and hope fatigue does the work that facts cannot. Who has the power? The source of authority here is plain. A jury found Trump liable for sexual abuse and defamation. The court set damages, and the judge enforced the order. That is institutional power doing what it is supposed to do, converting the verdict into consequence. Trump's side is trying to do the opposite. He is not arguing the outcome on the merits anymore. The Supreme Court already rejected his appeal. He is reaching for procedural slack, hoping the machinery can be slowed enough to blunt the judgment. The excuse is the message. Trump's stated reason for delay is that his new lawyer needs time to catch up. Roddy Kaplan, Carroll's attorney, called it what it is: another play for time. The reporting notes that Trump has known for months that his lead attorney was leaving, and that he already has co-counsel who has been on the case from the start. That matters because it strips away the theater. The issue is not confusion, it is manipulation. The legal system is being asked to indulge a man whose default response to accountability is to manufacture inconvenience and call it fairness. The pattern is older than the case. The underlying verdict already told the story: abuse, denial, defamation, damages. What this latest motion adds is the civic pattern. Powerful men often do not need to win on substance if they can exhaust everyone else on procedure. They weaponize motion practice, appeals, and delay as a substitute for innocence. That is how impunity works in plain sight. The harm is clear, the finding is clear, and yet the offender still tries to turn payment into a negotiation. Carroll should not need patience as a civic virtue. Carroll has already done what institutions so often fail to do: force the facts into daylight and win a verdict on them. The court's refusal to stall is not a side note. It is the minimum requirement of democratic legality. The larger lesson is ugly but useful. Authoritarian politics does not always arrive as a dramatic rupture. Sometimes it looks like a wealthy defendant treating the legal system as elastic, hoping the powerful can always buy one more week, one more filing, one more delay. The democratic answer is not moral pleading, it is enforcement. You've been listening to Systemic Error. Thanks to Ross Story for today's article, with the automated voice of Liberts. Thanks for listening.